One of the questions that I'm asked basically every single day is, how do I start an affiliate marketing website? Another question that I'm asked is, how do I start affiliate marketing without showing my face? Well, in this video, I am going to show you the exact step-by-step process someone is using to start affiliate marketing without showing their face. I'm going to show you the viral video that I found to show you that this is actually working. Then we're going to take a peek behind the curtain to show you how you can do this too. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a few different things. We're going to take a look at this video that I found over on TikTok. TikTok can be an incredible place to find stuff. And then we're going to break this down piece by piece so that you can see how this person's making money and how you can do the exact same thing. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we want to do is we want to take a look at this viral video, and then we're going to react to it. We're going to take a look at the various aspects and components so that we can figure out exactly how we can take advantage of this opportunity. So let's go ahead and take a look at this video.
Yes, and they don't call me the digital landlord for no reason. Let me tell you how you take over a whole city.
And before I continue, I will put a link to this video in the comment section below so you can see this for yourself. And go follow this person because this is a really good idea. So it's a 3-minute video. We might not watch the whole thing, but I want you to see this.
So basically, I went over to overstockdomain.com and I purchased MariettaGeorgia.org. Why did I purchase MariettaGeorgia.org? Because so many people are typing that in every single month. People are looking for information on Marietta, Georgia. Also, people are also looking for businesses in Marietta, Georgia. So a lot of people, thousands and thousands and thousands of people are typing in Marietta, Georgia business directory every single month. Okay. Every single month, people are typing that in. And when you go to Google, one of the first 3 options that you get is going to be my website, MariettaGeorgia.org. Check this out. You click on it. I made it to where businesses in Marietta, Georgia can list their business on our platform.
So look how basic, I'm not going to react to this, but this gets me excited. But look how basic this logo is. You don't need a great logo. You just need to know how to do basic stuff and you can be successful online. I'm going to let this play.
In our directory for free. And because we're ranking at the first page of Google, they're going to rank at the first place of Google. And what that's going to do for them is get more people in front of their business. Okay. But let me tell you where the digital landlord part of it comes into place.
Okay, listen to this.
So guess what happens? Now people are on the website. I'm writing about everything related to Marietta, Georgia. But people are also looking for foreclosures in Marietta, Georgia. So what I did is I partnered with foreclosures.com.
Here it is.
And so every time somebody clicks on one of those links and takes them to foreclosures.com so they can look at the piece of property, I get a commission off of every single person that signs up for that foreclosures.com software.
That's one.
Not to mention, that's my way of kind of sneaking into a little bit of real estate without even having a license. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Let me show you something else, how I monetize. I also partnered with hotels.com.
That's number 2.
Because people are looking for hotels in Marietta. So that means that when people are on MariettaGeorgia.org and they book through our platform, we get a commission off of every single booking that is generated through this hotels.com portal. Oh, I'm not done.
It's not done.
I just showed you how I monetize it 2 ways. People are also looking for short-term rentals in Marietta, Georgia.
Okay.
Why not partner with VRBO?
That's number 3.
Every single booking that comes to the platform, your boy gets a small commission off of that. And when I say small, I mean tall.
He doesn't mean
I get
small.
a commission off of that every single time. All right. And so not only that, only that, we wrote high quality articles related to everything in Marietta, Georgia, whether it's about parks, whether it's about the best SEO company in Marietta, Georgia.
And here's number 4.
Who owns the best SEO?
All right, so we can stop it there. But you saw that he is earning commissions in 3 different ways. The 4th way that he talks about is an actual business that he runs. And so he links to that other business, and that helps him make even more money. But let's go ahead and break this down because I think this is so cool, and this is something anybody can do. Let's go ahead and take a look at a Ahrefs. This is a paid keyword research tool. Basically, we're looking at this to look at the keywords that he's ranking for. If we look at the keywords that he's ranking for, you're going to see all of these are low competition. They're getting, 50, 100, 200 searches per month, but he's ranking on the first page for a lot of these. If you look at this, keyword difficulty 600 is Marietta, Georgia safe, 900 searches per month. These are low competition keywords that he is ranking for. Okay. And then the next thing that he did, the first thing that he did is he went out and got web hosting. You want to get web hosting to have your own website. Don't use Google Sites. Don't use any of the other stuff. Click the link in the description that says alstongodbold.com/Bluehost. That's probably the best beginner-friendly web hosting platform. You'll be able to get your domain name, and you'll be able to get you'll be able to get your web hosting, and you'll be able to get WordPress. So that's the first step. Second step is to find keywords. If you look at this, all the keyword difficulty, with the exception of one or two, all of them are less than 20. Okay. And you want to rank for these so that you can start building domain authority. But if we take a look at his website really quick, you can see that that's exactly what he did. He just wrote all about Marietta, Georgia. And what he's using is WordPress. And more specifically, he's using Listify. You can actually search what WordPress theme is that, and you paste in the domain name, it'll tell you the exact WordPress theme. He's using Listify. In the past, I've used Listing Pro from ThemeForest. So if I type in themeforest.org? All right, so themeforest.net. And in ThemeForest, you can type in Listing Pro like this, and you should be able to find a WordPress theme that helps you create these classified templates. You can see here, this is one of many options. But if you want to do exactly what he's doing, he's using Listify. The next thing that he did is he went and joined the foreclosure.com affiliate program. He earns a 25% commission when you get people over to foreclosure.com. If we look at this, it says not only can you join our team and help spread the word about foreclosure.com property listings, you can get rewarded for your efforts. Our system tracks referrals and pays top commissions for every active subscriber you send our way. So people that subscribe, you will earn 25% commission. Higher conversion rate, more money. So you can look at that for yourself. But look at this. If a customer comes from your site to ours and then comes back to purchase a subscription 6 months later, you get credit. So a 6-month cookie window. If we take a look at the pricing for foreclosure.com, we'll see how much he earns. We'll just do the quick math here. It's free. You can get started for free. All right. So when I look at this, we can get an idea that foreclosure is available anywhere in the United States. A question that I'm going to get is, can I do this outside the United States? Yes, as long as you are able to join the affiliate programs, it should work for you. I don't actually see the pricing here for foreclosure.com, but I love this opportunity. Okay. So if we look at this, there's a 7-day preview. After the 7 days, it goes to $39.80. And so you could potentially earn 25% of that. There are probably different tiers in there as well. So that's an opportunity to make money. He also said that he is an affiliate for hotels.com. Now, hotels.com is part of the Expedia group. And if we look at this, they have a number of affiliate programs, including Expedia, hotels.com, as well as Vrbo. And if we scroll down here, you can see that you can join and earn a commission. Look at this. Hotels.com, Vrbo. If we keep scrolling, you can see there's so many different opportunities. And what he did is he installed the widget, as you can see, and you can even do banners as well. But this is such a cool opportunity to make money. And we can just click on apply now to join and follow the process to join to become an affiliate. If for whatever reason you're not accepted to hotels.com affiliate program, there are tons of other opportunities out there. Look at this. It's a real simple sign up. Doesn't take a whole lot of time. You can be up and running in a matter of minutes. But what you could do is start creating the content first and have the plan that you're going to monetize this with hotels.com and Vrbo, and you can earn a bunch of commissions. This is such a cool opportunity for anybody. Okay. And if you want to get started with affiliate marketing and you want to be in the background, you don't want to show your face, this is how you can get started. If we click on commission details all the way down at the bottom, you can see Expedia. Expedia pays, it's actually international, but it looks like they pay, up to 10%. If we look at hotels.com, they're paying up to 9% in France, United States, it's 4%. If we look at Verbo, it's 2%. Now, to figure out exactly how much you would pay, now Verbo's for short-term rentals, we could go to Verbo and get an idea of how much each stay costs. Okay. And hopefully you're starting to see how this could add up and you could be wildly profitable online without having to show your face, a simple website where you're just creating blogs. But I'm sure you're asking, well, Alston, how do I find blogs? Well, let's do this. We can go to Keywords Explorer and we can type in something like your city, if you're in the United States, or you could be like Coming to America, spin the globe, put your finger down, and land in Queens, New York. What we're going to do is we're going to do Racine, Wisconsin. We're going to do a couple things. We're going to do Racine, Wisconsin. We're going to do Racine, WI, and we can just hit search just like this. Now, again, this is a paid keyword research tool. You would probably want to invest in this paid keyword research tool or hire someone over on Fiverr to do it for you. To get these keywords. Now we're going to change the keyword difficulty to 25 or less. Click apply, click show results, and you're going to see that there are lots of opportunities. 200,000 searches per month, over 2,000 keywords where you could write about different things. Homes for sale, maybe even obituaries. Grab those obituaries. Hotels, Racine, Wisconsin. Keyword difficulty of 2, 1,000 searches per month. Okay. Pick and Save Racine, that has a keyword difficulty of 0. You could actually put the address to the Pick and Save and use your Google map to pinpoint it. Racine, Wisconsin hotels, keyword difficulty of 2, 1,000 searches per month. And do you think you could monetize that with hotels.com or Verbo? Nail salon, you can put a list of nail salons. And I think you have another opportunity as well. What he does is he does free listings. You could charge for premium listings. So, for example, you could have two levels, or you could charge for ad space. Another thing with the ad space is, for example, maybe Pulse Dust Gas CO2 Sensors Manufacturer Company, maybe they want more exposure. They could pay for an ad to show up right above the Discover businesses in and around Marietta, Georgia. You could charge them $100 per month or a number that you work out to have them show up multiple times on your website. And that's another income revenue stream. Now, I know we're talking about affiliate marketing, but there's so many opportunities with this site. It makes me excited to think about people are talking about affiliate marketing outside of talking about health, wealth, relationships, and technology. This could work for any city in the United States. Make sure the city's relatively big, 50,000 or more, or it's close to a major city. That will work out very well. Now that you know how to start affiliate marketing without showing your face, a simple website, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for your free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will allow you to plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start to learn more. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you grow your online business.